Hello everybody and welcome to NoSkillsRequired. Today we're gonna talk about 3D printers, what they are, which is the cheapest one, and what options do we have to make it even cheaper. Alright, so let's get started.
We're going to get a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to join the party, too. No catch, no money, no skills required.
So we're gonna start by what it is. A 3D printer, as you can see in the image here, is the advanced version of a glue gun. Yeah, so it's moving on the three axes, X, Y and Z, and extruding some thin plastic material. Then it's gonna be hardened, so at the end of the printing process you're gonna have a fully plasticky thing, hard as it can be because it's made of plastic, and you can replicate, you can do your own stuff. The core of the 3D printer should be like, if you have one, it can replicate itself. All right, moving forward, the material for operating a 3D printer is this thin plastic thing. Can be ABS or PLA. It comes in various shapes and sizes and color, as you can see here as well. Normally is 1.75 mil in diameter, and it comes in big rolls, small, or whatever. Next is the machine itself, which is an Arduino based. It's got some motors for each and every axis. That's called linear movement of the axis, back and forth, X, Y, and Z. All right, but in the meanwhile,
sorry about your pal, but I got to put for jumping.
Hi pal. Kinda late though. Back. This video is brought to you by Jumpy Pets. Alright, so let's see what they send us. I got this crappy box here. It's not from them. This is a design. Yeah, looks alright. Seems like this one is done with a 3D printer as well, but used as a 3D plotter. So keep that in mind. And let's see. Here we got the cheapest version, the manual version of the 3D printer. This is a 3D pen. Yeah, as you can see, it's a Polaroid 3D pen. It's got a plug here, which is gonna be inserted into the machine in the back here. This one is the filament in fill, and this one is USB powered. You can plug it into your laptop, but for this video I'm gonna use this USB. This one is 5 volts 2 amps. Yeah, all right. And he's got a holder here in his box. All right, so this is it. All right, let's get started. As I showed you earlier, this is a 3D pen, so the cheapest version of the manual version of a 3D printer. All right, the holder here, we're gonna plug it straight away into the thing. Okay, we plugged it in. But it's not on. Damn it. All right, we plug the thingy in. We're gonna, you see here it's got an on-off button. We're gonna press it once. Now the LED is red, so we're gonna wait till this one is gonna turn blue. That indicates it's gonna be ready. Yeah, so now it's heating up. We're gonna bring in the filament that I showed you in the previous intro. Yeah, this one comes in various rolls and stuff, but we're gonna use this one for the time being. Look, is ready. As you can see here, it's got the blue indicator. We're gonna prepare to feed in the filament. We're gonna put it like so, and with this one is gonna start taking the thing in. So hold. We're gonna adjust it a little bit. Nope, this is not the way to do it. I press it so it's trying to take it off. Damn it. Alright, let's try once again. So it's blue. We're gonna put the filament in, and we're gonna press this one. This one is feeding the thing in. So we're gonna wait till the thing is gonna, we're gonna pause it once in a while. So we're gonna wait for him to extrude some kind of thing. With this one you can do all sorts of stuff. Replicate, do your own thingy. It's a manual stuff. Kids having a go with this one is very useful. You can make drawings and stuff, but for us, a DIY enthusiast, we're gonna use it totally different. So stay tuned. The next videos is gonna be from now on blimey. We're gonna make generators, we're gonna make holders for batteries, 18650 and so on. Yeah, let's see this one if it's gonna go. You don't have to press it too much. Alright, so it's starting to extrude a little bit. Here you go. On the paper it's sitting quite nicely. Alright, for the project of today, a cheapy project, we have this pen holder for your 3D printer. This is for an i3 Pro